Gucci. I'm going to attempt doing my foundation on a pedicab in Central Park, Vital Skin 2 and 3. So the reason I use 2 shades is because we have so many different tones in our skin, and I like to maintain the integrity of our skin and just take out a little bit of the discoloration. So the lighter tone around the T-zone usually, and then you add the deeper tone around your perimeter of your face. And then you kind of patch them together. I have no silicones in my foundation, and I have active ingredients that are at efficacy levels that work to soothe and calm redness and inflammation, that protect you against pollution, and that lock in moisture so your skin is consistently hydrated throughout the day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.